Would you believe if I will tell you that you can learn English at your home? Because I have done it. I have learned English on my own without going anywhere, without joining any coaching classes. So today I'm going to share my journey with you all, how I learned English at my home, what I was doing, how I improved my speaking, fluency, confidence, every single thing. So that you can learn it, you can learn something out of it. You can understand, okay, this is not a rocket science. You can also learn this language at your home. You can also prepare yourself to learn that language. Okay, let's start. First of all, I would tell you that there are four important pillars that has helped me a lot to learn this language, to improve my confidence, fluency, and it was something that was helping me to speaking naturally in English. So first thing was listening. You all have to listen a lot. If you are a beginner, you want to start your English learning journey, you have to start with listening. Every single day, set a time where you are listening something in that language. It could be anything. I'm not gonna tell you what you have to listen. You are enough capable to find out the topic, content. It could be anything, but you have to listen in English. You can listen podcast, you can watch blog, you can watch movies, whatever, wherever your interest align, you have to find out those things. Okay, so you have to focus on your listening, and it will definitely help you to understand English better. It will help you to understand the context in English and many more things. Let's see, the second thing that has helped me a lot to improve my English is reading. Reading is something where most people will say that, oh, it's a boring thing, I don't want to do it. I know it's a boring thing, but you have to do it. You have to do it because you want to improve your English fluency. Reading is something, what I have feel after reading for a long time. I feel like reading is something that will make you habitual with that language, that will train your mouth, train your mouth to speak in that language, because it's a new language you are trying to learn, it's a new language you are trying to speak. So yeah, definitely reading will help you a lot. That's why I'm suggesting you have to go with the reading. It could be only 1 page or 2 pages or 3 pages. It totally depends on you, how many pages you are reading in a day, but you have to read it. You can't escape reading if you really want to be fluent in English. And the third thing is speaking. Obviously, how we can forget it? Speaking is something I will suggest you to start from day one. If you are learning English, if you really want to be fluent speaker in that language, you have to speak from day one. I know most people will say that, how can I start my speaking from day one? I don't know how to speak. I don't know what to speak. That's why I want to learn that language. It's okay, no worries. I will share some tips and tricks with you all that you can implement to speak that language, to practice your speaking. See, you have to speak from day one. That doesn't mean I'm saying that you have to go outside and you have to find people and you have to speak with them. No, not like that. You just have to speak with yourself. It could be anything, literally. I believe that if you are into English, if you are trying to learn English language, you can speak a little bit. You can read something, you can understand something in English, then definitely you can speak even 1 or 2 lines in English. That's what you have to do. You just have to speak 1 or 2 lines in that language every single day. If you don't know anything about that language, if you don't want to speak anything, you can at least introduce yourself in English. You can at least introduce yourself to the to your family members. You can decode any object that is surrounded by you. You can decode all those things in English. So this is how you will start your speaking. This is how you will introduce speaking in your day-to-day life. Okay, you have to speak. Believe me, if you will not speak, it doesn't matter how much time you are giving to that language, but eventually you are not good at speaking. That's why you have to speak that language from day one. Okay, and the last pillar that is really very important for me, and it has helped me a lot to improve my fluency, intonation and rhythm in English. and that is shadowing. How can I forget it? It's a great exercise, I will tell you. It has helped me a lot. Literally, if I'm saying a lot, I mean it. It is something that teaches me like how to sound more natural in English, how to sound more confident in English, and how you can, play with your rhythm, play with your intonation in English. So shadowing is something I will suggest you all. You have to start your shadowing from day one. It will definitely helps you a lot. You have to start your shadowing from day one. So this is something I have done to improve my speaking. This is something I was doing for a long time. It's been 1 year I'm speaking that language. It's been 1 year I'm practicing in that language, and this is how I'm speaking. So basically, I think I can speak better, and I speak better, literally. But this is my first video. I'm nervous. I'm a little bit conscious about people's judgment. Like, okay, what if they will judge me? But that's okay. We can't control everyone here. So leave it on God. And this is my first video. I wanted to share my English journey. If you have any question to ask me, you can ask it in the comment section. I will definitely answer you all. And yeah, this was all about my English journey, how I improved that language, how I learned this language at my home. If I'm telling you all, if I can learn this language, anyone can learn this language. Literally, believe me, anyone can learn this language, and anyone can speak that language very fluently, very confidently. Maybe I was not sounding that much fluent and confident, but I'm telling you that because this is my first video, that's why I'm a little bit nervous. That's it. Okay, I'll meet you again with a new video, but for now, bye bye.